Here's how ridiculous it is in case a metro raid. They've just been here and the people are back. I-raid yenzeke less than an hour ago and then they are back. And then kuthiwa don't take law into your own hands. Now, we as the community have all the abilities to keep this place without abantu laba bokufika bagcwelela. So, but government ukhuluma lezi zinto azikhulumayo and then aba protect. They know that the system of waiting for Metro Police is not effective and will never be effective. So, the system in South Africa, yoguti we are vigilante groups and the likes, is a deliberate system eyenza ukuthi abantu bangakhoni ukwenza lutho ngoba kuthiwa fasilinde amaphoyisa, which abomalema and them want and desire, because yenza ukuthi kungenzeki lutho so that they continue doing what they are doing against the country and its native residents. I-system yokulinda amaphoyisa is not effective. They themselves, kuma issue our local crime, they kept on saying, fanele sisebenzisane. So mase siza kuma illegal immigrants, akusafanele sisebenzisane. Kuphuma ama-high court judgment ukuthi abo operation Dudula banga-identify abantu ukuthi ba ama-foreigner ukubablocker ema-clinic and the likes. Kanjani? Kanti ku-section ephi-ke futhi lapho ukusebenzisana. When it comes to local crimes, lapho esibamba khona igebengu za local, lapho sinelungelo loku-identify criminals. And then when it comes to illegal immigrants who are identifiable at sight, lapho ke sine-prejudice akufanelanga si-identify abantu. Do you see ukuthi there's no law in South Africa? There's no law. It is about the wants and desires of a president and those elites behind them. They change the rules to suit themselves at all times. That is called injustice. It's called injustice. So, ekubalekeni kwabo ke la abantu, what they are showing ukuthi bonke abana ama permit, because ubaleka kanjani une high permit. Now, ejabulani kwadlinwa. And then the reason that was sustained ingenxa ukuthi abantu bakhona baye baqinisekisa ukuthi sewetlinile amaphoyisa ukuthi bagcina i-area ihlanzekile ngokuthi babe present bona as abantu bomphakathi ukugada ukuthi labantu bangafiki. La kusesinawane la akubadayisi babantu besilisa, they are sell outs in everything. All right. So now lokhu kuyaqhubeka njalo. Nabeke bazama ukwenza babuye baphelelwe amandla as a result. Sometimes most of the time kuba amaphoyisa asidiqilela phansi, but then also it is the community, all right, as well. So those are the things which are happening. So I figure ama Metro Police abongake, but that's a useless exercise because bayabuya mabeqeda ukuhamba. So what's the point? All right, so they must come, they must terrorize them, but it's gonna, if it's something as once after 3 months, how effective is it in the someone says, yeah, kule situation le ayikho effective. And then is it practical ukuthi bazohlala lapho begada abantu abazodayisa? No, it's not practical. That is why this is supposed to involve the whole country as citizens ukuthi siyilwise. Ngeke bakwazi ukudila nayo behamaphoyisa bodwa. It's impossible. So, I'm going to vigilante. Thank you.